All right, I picked up should be a 3-pack of razor blade heads for a Norelco 2300. So this says this is available for the 2000 series and several others. So this is what I'm expecting. Forgot that it actually came with a brush. That's kind of cool. From what I can tell, these look like they're going to fit. I hate these blister packs, but um, let me open it. I despise these things and I've injured myself on them enough. They should be just outlawed. They're just a pain. I don't think that's far. Let's do this. All right, so this is, yep, looks like what I have has these weird little things that lock into the position on the razor. That's the blade assembly. Also looks like what I have, but let me grab out the razor and all dirty as it is and pop the new guys in here and see how it works. All right, see if you can tell which are the new ones and which are the used ones. Well, looking at the shape, to me they look pretty identical, but obviously these are dirty. I cleaned them, brushed them off a little bit, but so that's the old and it's the new, which I have a little trouble getting it out of there. There we go. So they look the same to me. So just less messiness on them. So let me try to put them into my also very dirty razor thing here. And let me remember how these things go. Took the other ones out and forgot something in here with these little doodads. I guess it's right. It's right there. Yeah, lock in like that. All right, so here we go. That's it. And this one should go like that. Right. And so far, exactly the plan. Aside from the mess, but can't shave without making a little bit of a mess. So there's my Norelco Series 2000. Um, so real question, will it work? So seem to be working. Definitely working. So I will call that a win. Makes me happy. So they are doing what they should do. So hope that helps you out. Have a great day. Take care.